Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here with 33 1/3 LP, and I have just put some dark blue over it, add some marine blue, and it's going to be quite pretty. And I have red, white and gold, and I want to do, where's my middle? There. I'd like to do a bit of a reverse pour. No, I'm not going to see that, so that's alright. But I didn't want to use as much paint as I normally do. Where are you, middle? There. So I'm just going to put it on like this. So here we go. The recipes for these paints and pouring medium you'll find below Showball, just down there, and I'll put some more gold on in a minute. Some red. Red. This red's really pretty, very bright, looking good against the blue. Alright, some white. Who knows what this is going to look like? Here's hoping it looks nice. To do this as well, simply because it hides a multitude of sins. And I'm talking about those dribbles. Thought they were hiding from me, and they weren't. Okay. Be just a touch more white, but I don't know. I think I might be getting close to too much paint, so there we go. That's all I'm going to use. And I have cloth here. Stretch him out a little bit more. He's way too big for this, but he will at least cover. Need to get him tapped in. I'm not really pressing the paint. I guess I am a little bit, but I've got a pleat. Didn't want a pleat. I'm just tapping it down to make sure that every little piece has a cover. Okay, so I have that. Doesn't look like much. Here's hoping. So I take these up, these middle bits, and then absolutely nothing. Oh, there you go. Who would have thought? Alright, There is a little there, but not enough. So that's all right. I won't be beaten. I'll just do this. Now I've got more paint than you can poke a stick at. It's blue. All right, I think. Letting that come down. Got somebody living there, get out. Bringing him down a bit more here. That blue is really pretty there. Okay, I like it that. I don't know that it needs anything else. Maybe a bit of blue just through here, and I can tilt it a bit more just to bring the blue through. I'd rather like the blue and the gold and red together, they look good. So let's just do this. Pretty easy if I stand around here, isn't it? I think. It's moving. Then I'll just bring it back to the centre. And you come. And I really like this one. Okay. So I'm just going to wipe my hands and torch it. And we'll see how we go. I'm quite impressed. The blue and the red have mixed here and sort of made a smoky mauvey purple, and the red and the gold in part here I've mixed and made like a metallic orange, which is rather pretty. I actually thought I might get some pink with the red and white, but I don't think so. So here we are, and I think it's really, really pretty. If I get around here, you might not see so much glare. There we go. And as I said, it's not black, it's dark blue. So, and I like the lines. There's not a lot of cells. Shake it around too much and you lose that. So, very pretty. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell. You'll be notified then as I put up videos into YouTube. The recipes for the paints and pouring medium below the video under Show More. And there's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. So you're more than welcome to come and join us over there. So thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.